Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to calculate average. So we have this example count, and if you want to calculate average, you can click on the cells equal average, and then you can open bracket. I will sort from this cell into here and close bracket. Press enter again. So we have this average from this data. Okay, you can tap again, like you can tap equal average, open bracket and select rank, close bracket and press enter again. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Excel tutorial, how to calculate average. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.